Hey guys, it's Mark here, and the device I have here is the Xiaomi Mi A2. The Mi A2 is an upgrade over the predecessor, which is the Mi A1. The Mi A2 now has the 18:9 display, and compared to the 16:9 display, on the Mi A1 you can actually now enjoy watching videos and movies on the tall display. The design of the phone, well, is pretty much everywhere right now, and is actually quite identical to the iPhone X except for the fingerprint placement. On the top of the device is the RR blaster, and on the right side is the power button and the volume button, and on the left side is the SIM tray, and this phone features dual SIM but there's no microSD expansion. The bottom of the device is the microphone, USB-C, and a loudspeaker grill. There's no audio jack on the Mi A2, but you'll get a USB-C to audio jack dongle, which is quite sad. The speaker is amazingly loud, but the speaker quality is not that great. Tell me what you guys think and drop me a comment down below. On the front is a display which features 5.99-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1080 by 2160 with pixel density of 403. The display itself is just average, and the color reproduction is quite true to life but is a bit dull at some point. But watching video on an 18:9 display is actually amazing and quite pleasing to see. The back of the device is the dual camera setup and the fingerprint sensor. The Mi A2 is packing a Snapdragon 660 with an Android 8.1 Oreo under Android One program. It comes with 32GB or 64GB of storage with a 4GB of RAM, or you can bump it all the way up to 128GB of storage with 6GB of RAM. Inside the box, you will get a silicone case, USB-C to audio jack, SIM ejector, manual, the device itself, USB-C cables, and the charging brick. The Xiaomi Mi A2 is powered by a 3000 mAh power battery, 80 mAh less than the Mi A1. The battery can actually last you at least like 9 hours depending on your usage. It has quick charge feature, it gives you 35% of battery in 30 minutes. The Mi A2 features a dual camera setup. The main camera is a 12MP shooter, and the secondary camera is the 20MP shooter, which is for low light, which is the same setup as the OnePlus 6. You can actually manually switch the regular lens to the low light lens. The camera mount on the Mi A2 is thicker, you won't be able to use the phone on a flat surface. The photo on the Mi A2 comes up great. The HDR really helps a lot in getting a lot of details and sharper in the picture. Even portrait mode, you won't be disappointed. It works great for a mid-ranger and the edges are well blurred. Tell me what you guys think of the picture and drop me a comment down below. The selfie camera features a 20MP shooter and also features a LED flash as well. The selfie on the phone is actually great and quite detailed and sharp, and the color doesn't seem to be oversaturated. The front camera also have a portrait mode, which is using the software to detect the object and the background to create the bokeh effect. Check out some pictures and tell me what you guys think. Hey guys, this is 1080p with 60 frames per second with image stabilization on the Mi camera. I mean like stock camera. Yeah. Tell me what you guys think of the stabilization and do let me know. Let's try autofocusing. It's kind of slow, but well, you get the jumps done. Does it autofocus from here? Nope. Have to focus, but I think this can be adjusted in settings. So yeah. Now I'm going to switch to the 1080p with 60 frames per second. Okay, this is now 1080p with 60 frames per second. Do let me know what you guys think, and also drop me a comment down below. And let's try the autofocus 2 for this. See how it goes. Oh, it does work, but it's like shuddering a bit the screen right here. It looks great, not that bad. I kinda like it. Tell me if the stabilization is on. This is in 4K and in 30 frames per second. And not just that, this has turned, I turned the image stabilization on, but I'm not sure does it work. Do let me know. Or probably I can just say it myself later when I edit the video. So yeah. Try autofocus again. Boom. Yeah, it looks great. Drop me a comment down below what you guys think. Okay, this is 4K using the third-party application called Open Camera, and I have turned on the image stabilization. I think this should work perfectly better compared to the original camera. But do drop a comment down below and let me know what do you guys think. Let's try focusing as well. This one works well. I like it. Drop me a comment down below and tell me what you guys think of all these video tests. So yeah. Is it even recording? Yeah, it is recording. Okay, cool. That will be it, guys. In the end, the phone itself actually feels very premium, and the performance on the phone is actually quite amazing. You won't be disappointed by the performance, and I haven't encountered any issue or anything so far, even with some heavy gaming here and there, and it doesn't seem to show any sign of lag. Overall, the device is great. You get Android One program, which you'll get quicker update for any latest Android software. Aside from that, thank you guys for watching, and hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and do hit the notification bell button as well. You'll get notified every single time I upload. Do follow me on Twitter and Instagram is where I'll be mostly active at, and I'll drop the link right at the description below. And this is Mark here. See you next time. Bye.